Naye bafethi evidence abafike nayo koLazarus mongezi Shezi ke lo muntu obesebenzisana noHlathi. He was working with uHlathi to actually bribe this guy to actually block Qhawe from seeing uZoleka, since uZoleka was away in America for 20 years. So they actually orchestrated custody for Zoleka not to see uQhawe as her daughter, ukuthi ingane kaZoleka ibe ngweyaka Thumeka. So this guy actually is coming through and is saying, yeah, they must leave this because it's gonna get them into deep trouble. You understand? Maya Zoleka bafethi ngiyambona, she's stuck in the middle because she was the one who actually spoke out everything. She told uZoleka and Lazarus everything that she knows about uHlathi. You understand? So things got tense and things escalated. Yabo uHlathi siyasukuma manje baxosha lapha emzini wakhe and whatsoever. So bafethu uZoleka ke uvuswa ngama breakfast. You understand? Uvuswa ngama breakfast ke obviously I think it's the joy and them having to celebrate ukuthi they are now parents, you understand? And obviously they're in a relationship, so obviously they're gonna enjoy and celebrate their love, yabo. But things get a bit more scavenging, you understand, the way uZoleka had a question for Lazarus, because remember bafethu uZoleka no Lilian Gumede actually met, and then obviously Lilian Gumede washo ukuthi yo, if anything you wanna know the rest of the information actually is Lazarus. So you have to ask Lazarus. And I feel like Lazarus has been ducking about this question ever since. You understand? This guy has been ducking questions. Because like, what happened between Ulile and Gumede? I was also curious personally, you understand? And I actually knew, and I said so foot in the previous episode, I feel like these people actually had like a relationship back then, you understand? And maybe it was some sort of engagement, you understand, that maybe they divorced, yabona. But the way it seems and the way Ulile Gumede changes her face, yabona, it looks like these people had history, yabo. So yeah, man, uyasho kuZoleka la, uyambuza uZoleka ukuthi na wenzalani phakathi kwakhe noLile Gumede and whatsoever, you get me? So uyasho kuLazarus ukuthi no, they were investors, and then his father actually helped him to actually like cover up, yabona, what you call this, ikhusela, you understand? And then obviously the investors weren't really interested lapha kuLile Gumede, so they had like a relation and whatsoever. And then yeah, bafitha qhubeka ke mfethu war lapha ka Mabandla, you understand? So obviously Thumeka doesn't want a mother bavumile. She doesn't want to actually like be the mother of the child and whatsoever. So it led to a point where she had to choose a side. You understand? And unfortunately, the side that she chose was a side Thumeka, Lozoleka, I mean, and Lazarus. You understand? So she chose their side. You understand? And unfortunately, Uhlathi was like, yo, it's fine, man. He'll do anything and everything on his own, because obviously Thumeka is not on his side, which is actually surprising. So after the story continues, Lazarus all these people are actually married, and then obviously when the investors weren't really interested, yabona, Lilian and Gumede, yabona, she chose her own path, she chose her own direction, you understand? But then their relationship was actually jeopardized, of which Lilian Gumede actually called off their engagement. So these people are actually engaged, yabo. So when Lazarus had a vision for iKhusela, when he picked it up from the ground, because Lilian Gumede was supposed to be the CEO of iKhusela, investors did not really like Lilian Gumede, causing Lilian Gumede to actually like leave the relationship and actually call off the engagement. So also like I had a question for Lazarus, who would say, okay, what if the same situation had to happen to them? Because obviously now they are in love, and iKhusela iphethe Lazarus, but the CEO is actually uZoleka. So yasho Lazarus ukuthi he'd burn iKhusela to the ground only if he had Bavumile and Zoleka by his side. Then they are enough for him. You understand? That's what he said, which is kind of impressive, and it kind of impressed uZoleka, I guess. So bafethu, hey, uLikamva lana, I don't know if Likamva wants uZinhle, but I think they would be good together. So in the middle of that, yafika uHlathi laphana uzomtshela ukuthi na he apologizes for everything, and he's the only Likamva about that oyingane yakhe, and there will never be another Likamva. You understand? So Likamva is actually questioning uHlathi ukuthi So if I'm actually, or if we are actually important to you, why aren't you letting Usolega actually like parents bavumile? Why ungamshiyi? Because obviously you first blocked Uqhawe from seeing Uzolega, now it's bavumile. Why aren't you actually letting these people actually parent the child? Because you can see Utsu Lazarus Nozolega are happy, you understand? For once, he must think about his children. So in the middle of that, shares this guy that has been working with Uhlati. So this guy is actually coming to Uhlati. I'm trying to Uhlati, no man. He has been researching about Lazarus and he found out Ukuthi he is a Ngugana, and the Ngugana family have so much power. They are very dangerous, understand? They are very prominent into the political space. So or else someone will get hurt. So it's the AGI Summit Buffet. So obviously it's a technology event. According to what I saw, it's a technology event. As you can see, Buffet, the colleagues are very excited about taking pictures and everything. Yeah, so the last time, obviously, a pitch Kakao and presentation Kakao was the one that was chosen. Yeah, it's the one that was superior. So these people actually went out to see Kakao as colleagues. These are actually nice colleagues because they check up on each other. Yeah, because Kakao is gonna present. As you can see, Kakao is with the tablet there. Yeah, she's shaking. Yeah, she's nervous. Yeah, so my way to get obviously stands next to Kawe. He was the one who's actually left next to Kawe. So they start speaking, you understand? And my way to apologizes for what happened on the previous episode. These guys nearly kissed, you understand? So he's actually saying, Guti, it was a mistake. Yeah, sure, Guti, I know it was a mistake, you understand? So in the middle of that, I don't know what happened. I think it was panicking or she had a panic attack. Yeah, stress, yeah, and then my way to had to actually like check her out. And then obviously the CIO had to come and check out Uqhawe. And then the looks there actually, the looks guys, I think Uqhawe has feelings for Onga. I think Uqhawe has feelings for the CIO. But let's leave it for another time. So this guy actually came to actually warn Uhlati, yo bro, back off, you understand that? Because Uhlati is actually stubborn. These people that he is actually fighting about Lazarus Tabozolega are extremely dangerous. So Uhlati must back off, or else someone is gonna get hurt. His family is gonna get hurt. Uhlati's family is gonna get hurt, and Monge's family is also gonna get hurt. So in order to actually like for no one to actually go to jail, or no one to actually face laws, these people have to back off. Bro, just leave everything. Let these people actually be, because these people have power, and the more you actually push it, the more you're gonna get into trouble. Lilian Gumete has a sour face. Obviously, they meet with Uzolega, and I can say, yeah, they both happy to see each other, but it doesn't look like. And obviously, Uzolega was hoping to work with Ulilin Gumete. So yeah, and Uzolega actually like made out a boundary with they can work without like love or actually personal relationships interfering their bond. So they both actually agreed to everything, you understand? They both agreed to everything. And they actually Lazarus, what happened to Kusela? So Lazarus is actually like told Uzolega everything ukuthi kwenzakaleni, because obviously Ulian Kumete was the one who actually told Uzolega ukuthi, bro, if ever you want to know everything, just go to Lazarus, because Lazarus obviously is Uzolega's current partner, plus Lazarus actually booked Uzolega to be the CEO of Ikusela. So I guess Uzolega has found the information, but at the same time I feel like it's offending. It's making Ulian Kumete jealous about that relationship, because they're working together too. So on the other side, Bafetu and Ibona AGI Summit. So obviously it was a technology event that was happening. Everyone looks excited. Likamva no Yanga or watching Uqhawe on TV. Uhlati does not really look excited, obviously, because Uzolega and Lazarus have his baby. And then now Sydney Bafetu is a former employee, CIO Lapana Ekusela, but was later fired because of his wrongdoings, interrupting the system, helping his wife to actually like bridge out something from the system, you understand that, but later got caught and obviously got fired. So Naega is watching at the summit. Doesn't look really happy, because he was the one who was supposed to be there with the team, but at the same time, because of his wrongdoings, he wasn't there. So I gave a my questions are so obviously Lilian Gumede was asked why did she start Cybersphere. So she said her vision was actually better because some professional relationships end, and then obviously women have to actually like be independent and actually start everything alone. Crazy, but it was shade to actually Lazarus. And then I is supporting her husband, telling her husband ukuthi just because he missed out on the summit doesn't mean that it's over for him. Yeah, well, it's being a supportive wife because these times are very tough for Lazarus, Sydney, I mean. So, but for it's all like excitement and everything. Up until Uhlati, obviously Uhlati isn't happy seeing his ex-wife, seeing ex-wife wakhe and Lazarus, you understand. But bembuza uLazarus ukuthi how does it feel to be the CEO of Khusela and what made him actually inspired. So he was like, he's blessed to have a child, he's blessed to have a father. But the look on Hlati's face, the look on Hlati's face was actually, I don't know. This person was actually angry, I won't lie. Because obviously Lazarus answered on the fatherhood side, you understand. Also, he represented Uzolega as his wife, I can say, because obviously they were representing each other lapana and everything. So uhlathi yabuza lapha ukuthi okay, bakubulawa abantu laba. So uLikamva answers and says ukuthi the event is happening there in Sandton. So uhlathi yele mathuba lapana, as you can see bafethu lapana uvinjwa ama security up until his daughter came to rescue him. Told the securities ukuthi no baba wakhe lona yabo, and Uqhawe was surprised to see Uhlathi lapana because Uhlathi isn't actually essential to technology yabona, and Uhlathi had to pretend in order to get in. Asho ukuthi why ngamtshela ukuthi she is going to be on stage, you understand that, because Uhlathi looks proud of Uqhawe, but Uqhawe didn't tell Uhlathi everything. So as you can see bafethu uyanga again uLikamva surprised ukuthi Uhlathi kahle ufunani lapha ufuna Mhlathi lapha ku-HI Summit, because this guy is not essential to technology. He's not even under a technology company, yabona. So he grabs the mic, you understand. When it was time for questions, he grabs the mic. When he grabs the mic, he asks a question. Question like ethi kutheni uLazarus noZolega benengane yakhe, because they stole his child, his baby from him. Lilian Gumede was surprised, and I think obviously Lilian Gumede is gonna actually team up with Hlati, because now it's war within everyone. Everyone is teaming with Lona, team up and Lona. That was the question. Everyone was actually puzzled. Nangu Zolega is puzzled. Nangu Lazarus is puzzled. On live television, these people are actually embarrassed by Hlati. So that was it, Bafethu name. But let me know what you think is going to happen next. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to watch the show Mzansi Magic 161 Monday to Friday, 9 o'clock. Thank you.